guys, Gage's Creations with Patty and Jennifer again.
Hey!
Hey! So we got something great to show you here. This is one of our sugar scrubs, and this is our coffee sugar scrub.
This is just part of one.
Yeah.
This is some that I had left over, and you'll get a little scoop with it. Oh, look at that, how rich it is. Those actually have coffee grounds in them.
And that's why it's so dark, guys, okay? Because Mom here is using real coffee with this. And oh
yes,
my goodness,
real
look at that.
coffee, and it's an exfoliant.
Guys, if you love coffee, it smells so good.
I mean, it's like we're in a, what's it called?
I don't know.
Bristol, I don't know.
And the cafe.
The cafe, the Holy Smoke Cafe. How about that?
Yes, I mean, it smells like you're in a coffee shop. So it could be like Dunkin' Donuts
Yes.
or just your average shop at the square, the coffee shop.
And it's good when you get in the shower and you can frost yourself all over. The exfoliant and the coffee has the caffeine in there, which is supposed to help with cellulite. Or cellulite.
I think it's cellulite. Yeah. But you know, guys, I also like to use it on my knees and my elbows because those are just not places that are the smoothest.
And
So
we keep
I
a
use
jar.
Yes, you
Keep
one
a jar by
the
the sink, because when we go outside and dig in the dirt or garden, cut the grass, we come in there and it's like, oh, it smells divine.
Yes,
It does.
so it definitely helps to make your skin all nice and soft.
It does. It's smooth as silk.
And we have this in many different fragrances. So
We do. We
take a
have
look at what's in
coffee.
coffee.
We have brown sugar fig.
Yes, and then we have oatmeal and honey. And we also have toasted marshmallows.
Yes.
Yes. So take a look at that on our website at gagescreationsoap.com.
Thank
Thanks, guys.